Hello. Today, my mom made fried rice.
We're gonna make shrimp fried rice. Shrimp right there.
Yep.
Red onion, and this is a rice that I mixed with
Corn oil.
sweet soy sauce. That's a pot. It's getting hot. Oh, those are homemade garlic, like fried garlic.
Me and this garlic?
I'm gonna put it in there too. Okay, guys, this is
Hey, why is it not facing me?
the rice that I mix with the sweet soy sauce, this brand,
Sweet soy sauce, yes.
and
I got it.
regular soy sauce, chicken bouillon, and sugar. A little bit of sugar.
Okay.
So this is fried garlic. I just what is that? Blend it or grind? Not really grind it.
Oh, yeah.
I use the food processor to chop it like this, and then I just fry in the oil. So you can use this for pho or fried rice or anything. But today I'm gonna make shrimp fried rice, so I need the fried garlic. Instead of buying like $4 or $5 at Asian store, I bought garlic only $1.25, and I still have fresh garlic left over. And this is mixed vegetable.
Yeah.
So, and the red onion. So the rice is already get flavor from soy sauce, chicken bouillon, and sweet soy sauce. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of oil. Thank you, Anon.
I was helping you.
Thank you.
Don't spill.
And
Second.
so I'm gonna wait until this hot first.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put eggs in there.
How about this?
No, I already put in the rice. I hope you see this.
Is it? Why is it not facing me?
Okay.
Granola bar.
You see it, guys? One egg in there. And then I'm just gonna stir it. Yeah. And then I will put mixed vegetable in there. Not too much,
They put shrimp in
because
there
I don't
too?
put too much of the rice. The shrimp, I will put it on the last.
Okay, and can I do it?
Oh, yeah. You can help me doing that. I'll let you see closer.
Mommy, look at this.
Yeah, right there. I hope you can see it. Then it's just gonna keep frying them like that. And this, I make it for my friend at work, you know. They wanna have food, so they pay me and I make it, you know. And this is what? $5? And that you have, when you make fried rice, you want to make one at a time, and it tastes better than you make a whole thing at a time. See how, look, it's all the rice that will get like fried from the pan, and that's how you get flavor there. Anon, can you put shrimp in there?
Yep. Just two.
The whole bowl.
Okay. There's nothing there, me. Okay.
Yep. Pour in there. Thank you.
That way.
Right there, guys. Look.
They put onion in there too.
The shrimp is already cooked, so
They put onion in there.
I have to turn off the heat first. And then because our shrimp is already cooked, so
I need vegetables too.
okay.
So let's mix it up like ratatouille.
Okay. Put some onion in there. Let me see. But look, I already put that.
Now put this in.
Okay. See that? Red onion.
Wait, one more.
Okay, you can put one more.
a lot of them?
I said one more. You just told me one more. Okay, here. Put in there.
Okay, wait. I need a bit off.
I have a helper today. So when he grow up, he's gonna be a chef. Ratatouille. What is that?
I want to be a rat so I can cook in a fancy restaurant.
Aww, the rat cook in a fancy restaurant?
Yeah, ratatouille.
Yeah. Watch out for your hand though, because it's gonna burn you from there. Alright.
I added too much onion.
Yep.
Last onion.
Okay, hold on. You want to be a chef? And then this is the last thing I put on. It's black pepper.
Can I put it on?
Come on, watch out. You're gonna burn your hand. You're too little.
It won't.
And the shrimp fried rice, you want to get the fresh pepper.
Mommy,
Put in like
can I
that.
add on this in
To
there?
get more flavor.
Mommy, is this spicy? Is this spicy?
I will put at the last.
Okay, can I?
After, hold on, it's too much, look. After what is that?
Gachipate!
No, black pepper. Now I'm gonna put this garlic.
Can I put
Because
it in?
fried garlic.
Can I put garlic in?
Okay, here, a little bit. Okay, good. You don't want to put too much because it's gonna be too much of garlic. You know, it's gonna be like, yeah, it's too much.
Oh, I can cut
By
this.
the way, look at our shrimp fried rice. I'll let you see. Okay, here you go. Ta-da! Done shrimp fried rice. เบิ่งอนนท์มีด10 บาทมือลูกอนนท์ stop มีด10 บาทมือลูก
It's done.
It's done. Ta-da! Shrimp fried rice. You hear that? Because the heat is still hot. Alright guys, done. Thank you for watching shrimp fried rice by Chef Anon and okay, thank you for watching guys.
Wait, me.
Oh my, hold on. Thank you for watching. Please.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Noid Big.
Aww. Anon แพงมามีป่ะ
Doi.
Kiss mommy. Aww. Thank you guys for watching Noi Big. I hope you enjoyed this video and
Mommy.
make it easy. Whatever you want to have, whatever you want to eat, you just make it all by yourself. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Look, my son, he ate almost all of the fried rice.
And guys, do you want to see this?
Ooh.
Wait, guys. Good.
Thanks for my man. Bought me a rose. I like last year rose.
Wait, show this.
And this is my son. After fried rice, he eat orange. I cut this orange. Hey, Anun. Can you okay, I'll wait until you swallow. How did Alisa say it when she don't really want a sorry? อื่นก่อนแล้วจังว้าว
Sorry.
You have it too. Like,
Wait, no, not that. Sorry.
how did she do it?
Sorry.
Oh my god. That's she doing that for you?
Yes,
Do you
that's
think is it good to do that?
new.
Why you have to have your hand dirty all over?
I can wash it
Okay.
in the
Are you gonna
sink.
finish the orange? That is a whole big orange over there. You almost finished it. You have 2 more left.
อาจารย์กับลูกศิษย์บอกกล่าวต่อกันเป็นการส่วนตัวแต่หลวงตามหาบัว
After meal, he have some.
เรื่องนี้เป็นเรื่องที่
Ooh, Anon love orange. No,
ข้ามไปก็อาจ
Anon mak makiang. Wow, do.
ที่จะเป็นข้อ
Anong magiang?
กินข้าวผัดเบิดถ้วยบักใหญ่
การเข้าถึงนิพพานของหลวงปู่มั่นตามคำบอกเล่าของหลวงตา
กินบักเกี้ยงแซ่บบ่
ด้วย
ที่เล่ามาทั้งหมดนี้
เกี้ยงแซ่บบ่
ก็เป็นเรื่องที่
ด้วย
จันมากแล้วแต่ประสบการณ์ที่กำลังจะตามมาต่อไป
บอลลูน
เป็นความ
บอลลูนหน่วยบักใหญ่
Wait, guys, do you want to see this? The oranges are transparent. A bit. Transparent means that's invisible. Something that's invisible.
เชื่อกันมาเลยก็ว่าได้
How is orange
หลั
invisible
งจากท่านเดินทางมาถึงดินแดนวิมุตติแล้ว มีพระพุทธเจ้า
This is how orange screams.
จำนวนมาก
Orange not scream
Yes, they do. Look it.
สาวกบริวารเป็นจำนวน
That's how they
The end for this video.
Thank you for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoy Noi Big channel.